Okay, so let's go. This is the second day from the same section, which is solving multi-step inequalities. So just like when we were solving equations sometimes, you could solve an equation and get an answer which was, it's an identity. It'll be true for all values. Or you could solve it and get something where there's no variables left, it's a false statement, and you would say there's no solution. Those are special cases. So there's special cases of solving inequalities that we've got to be aware of. So we will do a couple of those. See what that looks like when it's one of these special cases. And that's it. That's all we're adding to what we've already done. So I'm going to do both of these. That's still blue. Okay, what should I do on this first one? First step. Distribute the 7, right? So it's going to be 14x plus 5 is less than 14x minus x minus 21. Okay, then what? Subtract the 14x. Right? Subtract 14x. So we have 5 is less than negative 21. There's no variable involved. It's just a statement. It's either true or false. True. Is 5 less than negative 21? No, that's actually false. So what does that tell you? False. That means no solution. Hey, he was thinking of absolute value. He's thinking of absolute value. Right? So when you get a problem like this, if you do it right, I mean, a lot of times we're reluctant to cancel all the x's. Somehow you're just going to keep an x in there somewhere. But it's okay to lose all the x's. You know, but when you get to this step right there, you can't just stop. You have to say no solution. You know, what does it mean? It means no solution. Okay, how about this one here? We're going to get 12x minus 1 is greater than 12x minus 6. Keep missing that x. Subtract 12x. Subtract 12x. Now we get negative 1 is greater than negative 6. No variable involved. It's either true or false. And it's true. And what does that mean? The solution is all real numbers. I mean, you can plug in any value that you would have plugged in up here would have satisfied this. Nothing you could have plugged in to make it not true. So those are the two possibilities. You can get no solution if the statement is false, all real numbers if the statement is true. You know, what did we call that with equations? No solution and identity. Right. So there's your you tries. Let's try them both. So what was your answer on number 5? No solution. And number 6? That should have been the answers, right? So let's see. This is 5m plus 25 less than 5m plus 17. Subtract 5m. So 25 is less than 17. False. No solution. Okay, this one, 1 minus 8s less than or equal to negative 8s plus 4. Add 8s. Add 8s. 1 is less than or equal to 4. True. All real numbers. Is there any question about that? That's the whole lesson.
That's it?
That is it.
Oh, that was easy.
So write down the homework. Write down the homeworks so that when you get done with the quiz, you can work on that.